He had simply fallen asleep on the hotel's big bed. But unexpectedly, when he woke up, he found himself lying in a bathtub full of ice, and his body felt completely drained of strength. Instantly, he realized something was terribly wrong, so he scrambled out of the tub in a panic. Just as he spotted a trail of blood dripping on the floor, an ominous feeling suddenly washed over him. Sure enough, when he ripped back the covers, he found the bedsheet soaked in a massive amount of blood. Seeing this, he instantly panicked. To confirm the suspicion in his gut, he shakily walked over to the mirror and opened his clothes to check. Just as he feared, he discovered one of his kidneys was gone. It was only then that Jack remembered. He met a bar girl at the club last night. Before sleeping, he drank a bottle of water she handed him, and after that, everything went. Jack guessed that beauty must be the one who stole his kidney. But what he found even harder to believe was the pistol he kept in his suitcase was also missing. As a professional hitman, this felt like total humiliation. But now wasn't the time for regrets, because he had to find his kidney within 24 hours. Otherwise, it might get transplanted into someone else. Since Jack was currently in a foreign land, he had to call an old war buddy locally for help. Not until he heard his friend was on the way did Jack finally let out a sigh of relief. But right then, he suddenly noticed something. A playing card and 2 bottles of painkillers were on the shelf. So Jack slowly walked over to take a look and found a kidney donation form on the shelf too. What was worse, there was a stack of cash behind it. This instantly made Jack grit his teeth in rage. Turns out he had fallen right into that woman's trap. The bad guys didn't realize yet that they had messed with a top-tier assassin. Soon his old buddy arrived at Jack's hotel. Jack explained exactly what happened the night before. His friend told Jack not to panic because he had brought some morphine for him, which could temporarily relieve the pain in his body. Afterwards, Jack went back to the bar from last night and found the female bartender who served him. He wanted to get details on that woman from her, but unexpectedly, when the bartender saw Jack, she immediately called over the bar's bouncers, intending to kick Jack out of the place. However, Jack was no pushover.